Laura Ann Barber, a CCC medical patient from Traverse City, Michigan. I apologize for having to restrict your testimony time, but you can be individual.
Good morning. Thank you for hearing me, and thank you for being here today. I just hope that each and every one of you consider 5470 before you turn it down. My husband's name is Matthew Barber, and I am his caregiver. In 2004, Matthew and I were arrested for possession of marijuana. Matthew has Gulf War syndrome and 2 types of MS brought on from Gulf War syndrome. He has 68 open lesions on his brain. He's got 23 down his spine and 13 going through his hips. He has no myelin left in his legs. My husband was catheterized, diapered, and unable to function mentally or physically. We lived that way for a great many of years, till a neurologist from California at the VA Medical Center came in and said, your husband does not meet conventional means of treatment, and there is nothing we can do for him. My husband is 34 years old this year. Matthew now walks a mile every day with our dog Luke. Why does he walk? Because he uses marijuana. He not only smokes it, he drinks it. We make a protein shake with it. I've made balms with it to rub his muscles with. I watched my husband go from sitting like this and not knowing that I exist in the world to having a quality of life. We've been arrested on more than one occasion for possession. We have fought the system in Traverse City, in Kalkaska, Michigan, and in other towns. I will continue to do what I do for my husband, because if any of you can give me the number to who provides quality of life, I believe my husband deserves it. My husband was given this disease by the United States government, who claims 100% of his disability, which means all of it. If you ask any VA rep, they'll tell you the same. If you've ever seen a movie called Beyond Treason, it's about Gulf War veterans who were poisoned by our own country. My husband is one of them. We did not wake up on June 14th in 2004 and decide that we were going to fight about weed. It wasn't on the first thing on my list of things to do. You know, this fight picks you, and when it does, it comes in furious, and it comes in horrendously. I can't tell you the legal ramifications. I can't tell you the fear that you walk in on a daily basis, knowing that you have to go buy something legally on the street. Do you know your neighbors, people? Do you know your coworkers? Do you know what they take for treatment for their illnesses? I don't think you do. You know why I can say that confidently? Because I have lost positions, homes, cars, and everything else due to this law. Do you know that Michigan was the first state in the Union in 1978 to 1988 to have a law in place in this legislation for medical use of marijuana to protect medical patients? If you don't know, please do look. Governor Bill Milliken installed it, or instated it. Am I a political genius? No. Am I a person who has studied up on this, and I'm tired of being arrested, and I'm tired of seeing my husband be put in jail for the only thing that works for him? We have opened our world up to everybody, including the police. This is not an act of defiance toward you or toward any officers of the law. This is an act of quality of life. So,
Thank you, Ms. Barber.